Hi guys, I'm Susan and today I want to show you some snap jewelry. We have all kinds of bracelets, pendants, earrings and some rings for you for reference, and also you can make your own snap jewelry. Snap jewelry now is very fashionable jewelry in the markets and the new trends. Maybe some of you don't know, but really it is a wonderful jewelry I have seen, because it can change for every day depending on your dress, on your moods, everything. Okay, now I want to show you some designs. Okay, now put in some design in my table. Okay, now we show you. Okay, now see. Yes, this is ring base, snap ring base. This is snap leather bracelets, different colors. This is different size, US size from 7 to 9. Okay, these are 3 designs for snap buttons. We can fit in our ring base and our bracelet base. Okay, this is the price is about one piece is 0.727 for such kind of ring snapper buttons. It can put every place, rings, pendants, also earrings. Only you have the buttons. Okay, and 10 piece, minimum order 10 piece. We are just selling. As this is bracelet. Bracelet easy for us, no have clasp, easy for us to take off and put in tightly. Also the size we can adjust. This is size about 17 inch length, and price also $0 $1.743. Now we try this is such kind of beautiful designs. First we use this earring without snap button. It is so very simple and not have any feature. And now I put this flower. Okay, today I wear this one, tomorrow we change another one. This is very beautiful, right? Okay. And now we put this one. This is multiple design patterns designs we can choose. I show you some designs. Maybe you haven't say it clearly. Have all flower style, and this also the oars and the hollow flowers with rhinestones. Okay. Rhinestone. Very beautiful, right? Okay. Now this is also similar. As a key you can send for your lover and for your friends. This is Rhinestones. Yeah, clay. Okay, now we show this. Now we use this white color leather bracelets with our flower, beauty flower. Very beautiful bracelets, leather bracelet we have. Again, now we will use our shining this one. Again, beautiful. Different types, we can choose different according to your mood. Okay, this is our oars. Okay, we can also choose another colors. So which one you like? You can follow us, and you can you can visit our website. You find more designs, which one maybe you like. Okay, thank you for your visit, and later I will introduce more design for you.